Are you ready to glow this holiday season? Today I'm sharing a stunning makeup look I call the Golden Hour Glam. Perfect for holiday parties, family gatherings, or even just to feel fabulous on a cozy winter evening. Let's dive in. Right now I'm blending my Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer, a little bit of my foundation shade, and a touch of Pearlizer so I get that subtle glow all over my skin. This way it's nice and lightweight and it takes out the redness in my skin. Next, I'm going in with one of our shadow colors called French Toast. I use this all the time. It makes a great contour bronzing type color. Make sure you're using it everywhere you want to shade out your skin a little bit. Then we're going in with the same color, French Toast, and I'm using it on my eyes. A nice soft matte brown would look great here. Any kind of a bronzing color or shimmery color. Then I'm taking that also underneath my eyes as eyeliner, and then Champagne Shimmer on the lid just to create that open, little bit of a surprise when you open your hooded eyes. And we can take any of the light shades to use just on the inner corner to lighten and brighten the inner corner of your lid. Bright Eyes Eye Pencil. These are our waterproof pencils to line my waterline on the bottom. I used BrowSense to give my brows a little bit of shape. It holds the hairs in the right direction and grows back any overplucked hairs. And now I'm going in with the black brown under my eyelashes. It's called the waterline, and it's totally waterproof, so that way you have a line without using a lot of your lid space, and bring it out on the corners just a little bit for a wing. Next, I'm using my favorite blush color called Gifted. It's one of the minis to add a little bit of that warm color on my cheeks. And then the Pearlizer again, just to add a little bit of highlighter. For my lips, now not all holiday lips have to be red, so I'm going in with Nude Honey to line, just a soft brown. And then on the inner part of my lips, I'm using Bombshell. This color is a nice, soft, light peachy color. As you mature, you want to use a little bit more lighter colors on your lips to add more fullness. As far as gloss, I'm going in with one of the new Juicy Lip Plumping glosses. This one is in the pink color. And then I'm taking that brown waterproof eyessense pencil. These are the eyeliner pencils. I'm using that for my brows. I love this color for anyone who has gray or light blonde hair. Next up, got to use the lash curler for long straight lashes. I'm using the primer to prime my lashes. This also has Capixyl, so it's helping grow my natural lashes. Gives them a little bit of thickness and holds the curl. And then the mascara I'm going to go in with today is the Fiber Extend Mascara. This mascara really lengthens your lashes without clumping, and it doesn't flake off. It just stays on so beautifully all day, especially for mature eyes where you have a little bit of excess skin. This really covers up some of that. And then what golden hour look wouldn't be complete without the Glowify Illuminating Moisture Mist. Happy holidays!